this is small and compact. Actually, is used when you need an high resolution in both Doppler and range, typically for harbor, or when you are using this in moving application, some gap filling, or you are moving it. This is just one picture that we have done. This is range, here is Doppler. Okay, so this was a road. This is on the terrain, and this is the high return for the clutter, for the ground clutter. And we have, this was a road actually, so we have this car going up, two cars going in the opposite direction, and one people working here. Okay, now let's talk about the application. The Lira 50 is now operative in Yemen, and one thing that is also can be surprising is the fact that the Lira 50 should not monitor not only the big carrier, the big tank, 200 meters of ship, but also these small ships. We have hundreds of these ships moving into the Gulf. That are the small fisherman ships. And think that these move also in the dark, during the night, without any light. I will show you later on what's secure in these parts. This is the Aden area. This is the Gulf. And these are all the ships that are coming back during the night to the port. And we have thousands of these. We will see this later in the movie. This is that we have a good chance in doing this, of course, on test our discrimination in this. So these are some cases of discrimination, 24 meters times 19 meters in this case, but also many other. I will show you later on. This is a second case in which, this is in Italy actually, this is the famous Ischia Island, a very nice island. And here we have a sea storm just a few days ago, and this was the sea spikes can produce in our system. And still we are both going near the coast, but also a crazy man moving here inside the sea storm. Please note that we have also, in this case, still the return for the coastline. We have sectorized that is, of course, a transmission. But after the filtering, we still have boats, we still have a few residual over the clutter, and we have cancelled also the coastline returns. Things that these, we will see this in a movie, these are at the plot level, okay, because we are talking about the detection. Of course, after this, we will have the tracker filtering and processing, of course. So these are all plots, okay? Let me try if this works. Okay, this is, are you able to see? Okay. This seems to be false alarm, that they are really target. They are going in, the fishermen are taking the nets, pulling up the nets, and then move directly to the port. We can zoom in a better resolution, and actually this is, there are hundreds of these ships, very small ships going up. I don't know if you're able to see the trails, maybe yes. I see this. And zooming better, I think that we are at about 6:30, and we have 10 degrees of latitude. So in the case was dark. Okay. We are not visible. Okay, so also put some example for resolution. We have, of course, a better one. Okay, for example, this. And here we are achieving 0.5 of azimuth resolution and 20 meters of distance between them. Okay, let's go on. Okay. Now this recording was called the Crazy Man. Okay. So you can see here up to 5 nautical miles the sea clapper, the sea spikes that are going. These are boats coming near the coast, and this is what the sea spikes can produce during this sea storm. And it's inside here we have a crazy man. Are you able to detect a crazy man inside this marmalade? It's very difficult. Now, this is with 4-frequency transmission, okay? But normal filtering, CFAR, normal filtering. But now I have the special filtering that we have performed. And here you can see the crazy man over there. Of course, because of these high sea states that we have there, we have a radial speed of about 0.8 meter per second. About on this, not so crazy, of course. But we can explore this. Consider that all this is a residual that can be, of course, cancelled by the tracker, and these are the two, of course, the two coastlines that are cancelled by the filtering. Okay? Now, this is the conclusion. This is what we worked on the Lira 10 and Lira 50, and I hope that we will work again on this series, a new series of radar, and I present to you other improvement in 2012, the next conference. Thank you, and a couple of pictures about the Lira 10, the small one, and the Lira 50 that we have.
Thank you, Sergio. A very interesting update on radar technology. Our next speaker